This app has paid me over 700,000 naira and over 2 billion upcoming payments. In this video, I'm going to show you how. In this video, I will show you how you can download it on your phone and start earning from it, and 2 more other apps. In fact, the last one pays in dollars. If you know me, you know I'm not into all that nonsense of this website will pay you millions for doing nothing, because all of us know that most of them are, oh my god. So when I see that legit app that actually pays me, the girls have to know. Welcome to the financial community. On this channel, we're all about passive income, side hustles, investing, business ideas. If that's your kind of vibe, hit the subscribe button right away. First, I will show you the apps, then I will tell you how to download and use them, right? Let's get into it. The first app is Optimus by Afri Invest. You probably know this app for investing, but do you know you can earn free daily money from it? I've earned over 3 million naira from this app. More than 700,000 has been paid. The rest is loading. Let me show you. So when you come to your Optimus app, come to more. So for more, you scroll down, you will see refer and earn. Click on it. If you go to referral history, can you see? So down here, I have amount earned. I have made over 709,000 naira from it. In fact, all the people I have referred, like 3,609, that's 3.6 million. So each time you refer someone, you'll be getting 1,000 naira each. You see all of this here, 1,000, 1,000. Every single day, I am having people use my link and get paid. So I have completed like 709,000. And when the rest, like I have pending 2,900. When they start using the app now, oh, that's 2.9 million they're waiting for me. And from all of this, there is no single day I don't get paid daily, and you can withdraw anytime you want. Let me show you. So if I come to my wallet now, sure, you can see this one was 29, this one was 28. Every single day. On 28 I had 2,000, on 29 I had like 3,000. Every single day I am getting paid. So right now I have accumulated 19,000 something. This is the one I have not withdrawn, and if I want to withdraw it, now all I have to do is to click on withdraw, send to Naira bank account, right? Continue. If I click continue, my bank account is already there. So once I click on this bank account now, how much do I have to withdraw? Let's say I want to withdraw 2,000 naira. Review order, transfer 2,000. Withdrawal complete. You successfully withdrawn 2,000 naira. Your next withdrawal window is started. Got it. To be honest, the main cocoa of making passive income on the Optimus app is through interest payments. That I won't even like. That one has made me millions. But I have an upcoming video on that, on how you can earn passive interest payment from Optimus app. I will try to post this soon. So hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Turn on the notification post so that you don't miss any of our investing or passive income videos on this channel. The second app you can use to earn passive income daily is one you probably know. I even believe that you are using it, but you're missing out on the opportunity to earn free money from it. The second app is Piggyverse. I know you will say, Jennifer, is Piggyverse not for savings? I know. Let me show you. So when you come on the Piggyverse app now, right, you go to account. Here you can see 77,000 naira referral earnings, and the truth is that I will even like I hardly use these apps these days. So even without me using the app, people are still signing up using my link, and each time they sign up, I get paid 1,000 naira. If you need a video on how to save and invest with Piggyverse, let me know now. I'll run it for you. The next app on my list is one that actually pays in dollar, and of course you can withdraw anytime you want. But first of all, please, if you like this video, kindly hit the like button. The third app is on Bamboo, right? You know Bamboo app. I like that I'm telling you the app you already know and maybe use, but you probably don't know you can make free money from it. So on Bamboo now is the same thing, referral link. When someone uses your link to sign up, you know mostly Bamboo is for investing in foreign stock, right? And that is done in dollars. So when they use your link to sign up, you are getting a percentage of their first investment. No matter how much it is, you are getting a percentage of it. Let me show you something. So when you come on Bamboo, where you have your name up, click on it, right? The first thing there, you will see invite a friend. So see what they said. Invite a friend, refer a friend, and get 1% of their first fees return log over $100, or 2.5% of their first trade over $20. Oh my god. Do you know what this means? Imagine your friend signs up now and put like $1,000, $10,000, and you are making a percentage of that money. So see now, for me, I have completed over 158 invites. Don't ask me how much I have made for this one, because it's choco, and you know my friends now. So this is an opportunity you can actually leverage to make dollars from Bamboo. Talking of dollars, their papa, their grandfather, their mother is Binance. That one has made me thousands of dollars in passive income. I'm not even joking. But I want to make a separate video for it to show you step by step. I've already started the video. You just to take time and record the tutorial videos. But either way, be on the lookout for my Binance video. So if you don't have any of the apps I've shared, go to the description now. I have dropped the link to all the apps. Copy them. follow it, sign up, and then when you sign up, log in, get your own referral link, share it with your friends, right? You're actually helping them to save and invest their money, so they should be thanking you. And then, like me, you can leave it on your social media bio, so that even when you are not there, people can follow the link, go in and sign up. All of these apps, this is, I don't even remember to share it with people, but I've already put it out in public, so someone that comes across my bio can see it, follow it, and sign up. To even make it faster for you, let me give you a trick. You can decide to make a post about it, on how people can save using this platform, on how they can make interest using this platform. Then you drop the link. In fact, they will even be the ones ask you to share link with them. So these are small ways that even when you are doing nothing, because these links are out there, people can sign up using your link and you get paid free money. Some of you already use this, you already invite your friends to use these platforms. So why don't you make money while at it? And if you already have the app, what are you waiting for now? Go and copy your link and start earning passive income. Talking about passive income, I have a video where I showed you about 5 to 7 correct passive incomes ideas you can do. Be it business, be the one you can do from your home, the one you can do using your phone. I've left the link of the video on the description. Go and follow it. Watch the video right away. I'm going to see you on that video. You see this money? We are making it.